Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is I, the Charles Hawaii, just here with a quick app review for you guys. As you can see, I am on an app called BatteryPhone. Is this one right here next to the App Store? This one, this one, yeah. This one, oh, what the heck? Okay, this one. So, what this app simply what it does is it tells you the stats of your iPhone battery, which you can see right now. No, or you can choose to notify on iPhone charging 50% or less. It will notify me iPhone fully charged, which I think I should turn it on for me. I don't really mess around with this app. It's automatic, so you just download it, and there's an app for the Apple Watch. Once you download this app on your phone, it will automatically have a toggle or whatever you call it. I forgot. On your Apple Watch, when you customize your Apple Watch face, you will have access to it. I will make another video on that so I can show you guys. So anyways, let's continue. Suppress notifications. Notifications. It resumes when the threshold is exceeded or it is not fully charged. Alright, leave that off for me, but you guys can turn on for you guys if you want. See, like Apple Watch shows right there. So yeah, and tells you just the stats, and this is pretty much the app inside of the app. So my phone just went from 83 to 82. But anyways, it tells you right here how to customize it on your Apple Watch and how it will look like on your Apple Watch. You can customize it as to your liking. So and it gives you instructions. So yeah, this is pretty much the app, you guys. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and well, that will be really helpful. I will really appreciate it a lot. You guys have a good day, and yeah, all right.